Kim Jong-un. It's a no-brainer. His party won by 99.93% of the votes. 99.93%, but that's not the number the world is talking about. They're wondering about the remaining 0.07%. The people who did not vote for Kim. The world wants to know who these people are and whether they're fine or not. Here's a report.
What does an election look like when the result is already known? In North Korea, it looks almost perfect. Nearly every voter turns up. Nearly every vote says yes. And the outcome leaves almost no room for doubt. This week, North Korea held its parliamentary elections, and the result was striking. The ruling Workers' Party and its allies secured 99.93% of the vote. That is, the ruling party led by Kim Jong-un. The voter turnout was reported at 99.99%, and all 687 seats in the Supreme People's Assembly were won. In most countries, a result like this would raise alarms. In North Korea, it raises flags, the celebratory kind. But outside observers see it differently. Many describe these elections as symbolic, a way to show unity, not a contest of choice. Because in North Korea, there is usually only one candidate per seat. That candidate is pre-approved by the state. Voters can technically say no, but doing so is not secret, and its consequences are well known. Which makes the most interesting number in this election not 99.93, but 0.07%. That is the share of ballots cast against the candidates. A tiny number, but a significant one. Because reports say this is the first time since 1957 that any dissent has been officially acknowledged, and that has raised questions. Experts say the number is likely symbolic, a way to create the appearance of choice without changing the system itself. Still, the internet reacted in its own way. Memes flooded social media. Some joked about the brave 0.07%. Others wondered what might happen to them. Behind the humor, there is a serious story. This election was not just about numbers, it was about control. More than 70% of the deputies are reportedly new faces. It is a major reshuffle. Analysts say this allows Kim Jong-un to remove older power centers and replace them with loyal figures. Names close to him are rising. This includes his sister, Kim Yo-jong. The assembly will meet soon. It is expected to reaffirm Kim as the country's supreme leader. And it may revise the constitution, including how North Korea defines its relationship with the South.